So 3 is the magic number. That's what I found out. 3, it's a magic number. I love that song. Alright. Lawnmower key. Makes for a handy pocket knife if you don't have one. I just love all this extra plastic. Trying to keep them falling down in there. Alright, well, let's see what we can do here. So it stuck 3 quarts in it, and showing a bit high on the stick, but I know the oil filter has to fill up. So we're going to crank her over and check it out. I said we would. That should be sufficient. Here, see if I can't set my camera here. Maybe. Maybe not. Well, let's pull this stick. I'll try to do this with one hand. Showing just a tad full. I'll check that again. I may have to drain a hair out of it. But anyway, I'll go ahead and zip everything back up. And it's a pretty simple operation. Not any worse than any other tractor I have. Some of them was a lot worse. Trying to get to. So anyway, thanks for watching, and until next time, y'all be safe, take care of each other, and hope your projects and plans go well.